Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm Freddie with Infinite Tech Services, and we're gonna do a commercial. As you can see here, this is what we're working with here.
Oh, wow.
So they always have trouble with cameras going down, you know. It's just not a stable system. So that's one DVR, and there's another DVR somewhere. But this is a power. I mean, this is a hot mess.
So what's the advantage of the new cameras versus this analog?
It's a lot cleaner when you do IP, but as you can see here, you have your power side and then your video, B and C here. So this right here isn't weatherproofed when you're actually connecting it.
So you have one cable now that replaces these two.
So it's one cable that replaces these two right here. So that same Ethernet cable, it gets its power and its video through the Ethernet. And very low resolution as well. You can see here, these aren't really HD. It makes it really hard to try to spot, try to zoom in. It gets even more pixelated when you zoom in. I don't know if they have a mouse here, but as you can see here.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Sure.
If we try to see what happened there, look at this. We can't see nothing. And these are like 2 megapixels maybe.
Do you know how long they can go back? How far back?
With the amount of cameras here they have, I think right now they can only do a week.
Okay. And then with the new camera system?
With the new camera system, it's going to have 12 terabytes, up to 24 terabytes. So they're going to go with 12 first, and then they're going to see if they're going to need more space. So that should give them about a little over a month.
Oh, that's perfect. Okay.
Yeah. So apart from all this that we're going to fix, we're also going to come in here and get an actual MDF, a main distribution frame, and house all this equipment in there with the fan and make it look all nice. So as you can see, it's a little scary. No, everybody's afraid to touch any cable there.
I can see why.
Yeah. And this one's the most important one right here.
Not even plugged in?
It's not plugged in. Yeah. So we got a lot of work.
All right, let's get started.
Let's go. For businesses, we use hike vision cameras. We always try to do IP dome cameras, because they're more vandal proof and they just look better. We try to steer away from analog. If the budget is low, then we still try to run Cat 6. We'll put some valence at the end of the Cat 6, and then we can convert it to a HD over a Cat 6. Another advantage of the IP dome cameras versus bullet cameras, as you can see there, it has a lot more moving parts, and you can't really see where the dome is pointing. So we're gonna get in there and then pull all that old cable out. Another advantage of having a security system inside of a store, as you can see here, is to prevent theft. And also, whenever something does happen, the police won't do anything unless you guys have any kind of evidence nowadays. They really can't do anything about he said, she said, so they need some kind of proof at high resolution. All right, so. Don't be scared. All right. So, as you can see here, we got cables everywhere. So that's something we're gonna fix too. We're gonna have J-hooks on these beams, on these rafters, where the cable's off these pipes and they're not just laid around like this. So we got quite a bit of room. Apart from having a display here, those 2 screens that you've seen in there, we're gonna replace with one, I think it's like a 42-inch or something like that. And also we're gonna have a display with a pendant mount coming down from the ceiling. And that way, as soon as you walk in the store, it's like, bam, right in your face. So yeah, we're gonna put it about right here. So as soon as you walk in, so we're going to replace all of those with high resolution dome cameras. We're gonna put some mini domes there so they have a wider angle.
Are there going to be any PTZ cameras? No.
Yes, we are gonna throw in a PTZ. We just haven't decided where yet.
How about cameras outside or like parking lot or anything?
The only ones we're doing is the ones in the nursery. We're gonna do a couple in the nursery and one watching this side, the actual side.
Was this the only Ace store you're going to do, or are you going to do others?
So we actually already did an Ace Hardware in San Rafael, and we're doing the Pacifica one, and we're also going to be working on the Santa Rosa one when we're done from here.
Oh. So how did they find you?
They found us on Yelp. Yeah. So they looked up, they liked our content.
Como Pedro Navajas.
Corta el cable, güey.
Para encontrar chupón. Me llevaron las que llevas ahorita. Mira, ahí están tres. A tu derecha. Mira que ya están mandando. Es el técnico. Oh, conoce el pinche río de pura agua.
So yeah, we're gonna cut all of this because we gotta put a bigger TV here, and we just need all this out of here. So we're gonna tie this to one of these cables. That way, we have a pull string to bring in our new cable, or to pull our new cable into the attic. So yeah, don't ever forget your pull string. Very important.
Whoa! Like, what?